So here we are at the SMDC Air Residences Tower in Makati. I had the luxury condo rental. I believe it was, I could be wrong, I believe it was 11,000, 13,000 for 5 nights. I could be wrong, please forgive me. I could check my booking.com. I get rewards. It's between 11 and 13,000 pesos. All right, so here we go. As soon as you come in the door, you have 2 electric burners, full knife set, fan, wine glasses. Up here you have cookware. Oops, you have cookware. Looks new also. I believe they said one of the first renters of the condo, maybe not the first, but one of the first. Here you have nice, beautiful dishes and forks and spoons, flatware. It's nice. Have a microwave here, rice cooker, coffee, tea, mid-sized refrigerator. It's nice. I really do love this place. It's very clean, very clean, very, very clean. Quiet building, high security. All right, coming here to the right, you have your CR, your bathroom. So here, nice artwork. A towel. I think there's one other towel somewhere. Towel, hair dryer, mirror. Nice toilet. And let's go in here. Let's go this way. There's a shower. It's nice. Very well built. Very nice. Let's leave out of here. This is a 1-bedroom. It's usually for the dim lighting. The lighting in here is dim. I don't mind that. I like it like that. Others may not like that. Very, very nice artwork. Here you have, if you use these, open up to 2 leaves on the side of the table. Use it as a cutting board, cutting table. You need more space to cook, or for dining. You open up both sides and get your dining on, get to eating. I'll do that later. Have satellite TV, and you have Wi-Fi, fast Wi-Fi with the TV, YouTube, Netflix, other channels, fast Wi-Fi. Comes with a fan. You have seating, 2 chairs, 3 chairs. You have a pull-out sofa here. This is a little firm, but there is blankets and other things, pillows in the bedroom that you could use for this. But it does pull out if you have extra guests. Artwork. Phone in case you need to contact the front desk for anything. Remember, this is a condo building. And nice light. It's nice. And let me take you into the bedroom where all the magic happens, as they say. So you come in here, sliding door, very nice too, heavy, nice construction. Have there a full-size bed, maybe full queen as they call it, full/queen. So you have your closet here. Bedding, more bedding, a pull-out cot if you need it. Blanket, more pillows. What do we have over here? Didn't open the shit. An iron, wow. That's so rare in the Philippines. I have an iron. It's cute, small, cute, functional. Pad, so you have the iron directly on the bed. Blanket, 2 robes if you need 2 robes. Slippers. It's nice. Work desk, so I can get my editing on. Sit there and do some work. This is nice. Nice bed. And air conditioner. Yes, they're aircon. It's not aircon in the bedroom. Aircon in the bedroom. So just leave it. It does cool in there. It was cool. And now let me show you one of my favorite parts of most rooms. So I will show you the view of this part of Makati, Philippines. Let's open these up so you hear the sounds of the city also. All right, those right there. There we go. Open this. Open that. Open that. And here you have it. Here's our view. Very nice. And as always, I'll show you this at night also. I'll take another video at night and show you what it looks like. Really nice. See the airplanes, the airport's over there to the right. See the airplanes taking off. The Manila airport. There you have it. One bedroom condo. They call it a flat. This room, we call it a flat. Here in Makati, in the Air Residences Tower. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the room tour.